guess what I got? How's it going, everybody? Frank, aka Mysterious Jojo, aka Mystery Homo, aka Donny Fuckatelli. It arrived. Finally, it arrived. I got the box right here. My bronze play button. Yeah, YouTube sends you bronze play buttons if you get up to 10,000 subscribers, which I did. You know, I don't want to brag, but I have 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, I thought it was only for 100,000, but apparently no. They started at 10. So yeah, I know. I recorded that first one, the speech, January. It's February 7th right now. There were some issues with the package, basically. Like, you know, I'm not into the delivery man fandom, but basically it got lost, got delivered to the wrong person, apparently, and then, you know, YouTube's fucking dumb. They still haven't removed my community guideline strike yet. I've added you on Twitter like every day. You should probably get on that. But yeah, had to get Amazon. Amazon came in. They delivered it. Got the packaging. And yeah, it took a little bit. It's not great. It's not great over here. You know, because I'm living in this apartment in college, you know. So, like, they took it to the house and then they had to move it down here. But anyway, yeah, I think I'm ready to open this little package now. You know, I don't think anyone can hear me recording this video. So, you know, we can do the unboxing right now, and I don't need to be worried about anyone knocking on my door and going, oh, what are you doing, you fucking bastard, you fucking gay cunt. So, you know, bronze play button. We're going to open it right now. We're going to have a good time. Alright, so there's the box, you know, classic Amazon packaging. Nice and small, you know. I hear it's only like a small thing, because when you get to 100k they give you the film. But anyway, there it is, right there. It's real. I'm hoping if I pull this and recorded all this and this isn't the thing, then I'm going to be very, very mad. The note said it was, I threw the note out, but basically it was like, yeah, here's your bronze play button, and then it was a bunch of legal bullshit I didn't read. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna open the box. Right, you know how it is. First we gotta open it. Look at that, I got a fork right here. I got a fork, I can like, there's a whole bunch of like stuff under here I just gotta cut through. I open up the top layer just to, you know, get a confirmation that like, yeah, that's it. I'm pretty sure it's it. But we're just gonna oh my god, this fucking get the fuck in, Jesus Christ, I'm really bad at it. Maybe out of it this week, like, you know, the assignments. Fucking write a 2,500 word essay about marketing a business, you know, guy who's in music production. Yeah, but alright. Just a bit more here. Hang on. Oh Jesus, that's tough. I'm gonna need to get something a lot stronger. Hang on, give me a minute. Knife. Yeah, got a lot of this fucking packaging to get through. Fucking hell. What the fuck do they make these out of? Like, I get that it's like what's a thing, but Jesus Christ, dude. How the fucking... That's it. Here we go. Get the fuck out of here. Here we go. I think I can feel it. Oh man. What happened? Fuck's my play button. Fuck it. Oh, hey dude, bro, what's up? Oh yeah, hey Frank, it's been a while. Sorry, I've just been staring at you unconscious on the floor for the last 6 hours. What's going on, man? Yeah, fancy coincidence. I haven't seen you since the 250 subscriber special. What's good, man? How's the kids? You don't have kids, you're sterile, I forgot. Oh, you know, I figured I'd stop by, so, you know, I bought you some food. I ate it! Yeah, I noticed that the food was all gone. Did you eat my chocolate orange too? I ate that too. Yeah, but, you hear the good news recently about my, subscriber count? Oh yeah, man, it's crazy, bro. Like, 10,000 subscribers? That's wild. Never thought you'd get that many. Yeah, you know, it's no big deal. I was actually just opening up the play button last night. Do you know what that is? Yeah, I left it right here. Haha, what do you mean, Frank? They don't give out bronze play buttons. Yeah, no, but like, I actually don't. Do you know where it is? I was doing an unboxing, then I fell unconscious for some reason. No, yeah, they only give out silver. Yeah, there's no such thing as a bronze play button. No, they send you out the bronze play button. I got an email from YouTube. I've seen unboxings. It's real. That's pretty weird. That doesn't make any sense. I had it right here. I opened it. I touched it. No, I didn't. Wait. So listen, it's my birthday in a few weeks. Bro, I think you need to go right now. You know, I'm having a bit of a moment here. You need to leave. You need to get out. Get out. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. All right. Right. Yeah, okay, good. Congratulations on the. I'll leave these here. How about? Yeah. I wanna look at it. Okay. Okay, so I've done some research. Apparently there is no such thing as a bronze play button. That's not a real thing that YouTube actually does. And I was basically getting excited for nothing. But I definitely wasn't though, because I got an email saying that I was getting a bronze play button. And I had a whole rigmarole about it. And I was in touch with an official YouTube executive. And I don't quite fully understand what's going on myself, but yeah, I guess I delayed the 10k sub special for nothing, and now I'm at 11.3k, and I really put that off, huh? Fuck. Sorry guys, I'm sorry I disappointed you, I disappointed everyone, I took way too long to get things done. You know, I been working on so many other things, and hold on a minute, hold on, fuck, back that up, shoot. box that the package came in. Is that a knife? Can I? Well, I had a knife. Where's the knife? Oh boy. Okay. Right. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Nothing weird's going on, nothing creepy's going on. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine. It's just a normal, everyday. It's just a pencil. So. Why did they mail me a pencil?